Hello everyone, I am Shandini, calligraphy and lettering artist. In today's video, I'll talk about calligraphy using pointed pen. I am using a pointed nib, an oblique holder and a straight holder, Sumi ink and Strathmore calligraphy paper. Now let's talk about how to prepare a nib. Nibs come with an oil residue. It's used in the manufacturing to prevent it from rusting. We have to remove the oil residue because the ink will be liquid and liquid won't mix with oil. First I'll show you the fire method. We have to show the nib in fire for a couple of seconds and the nib will be good to go. The second is potato method. You have to insert the nib into the potato. Make sure the hole in the nib is inside the potato. Take it off. And clean the nib with paper towel or any soft cloth. Now let's talk about how to insert the nib into a holder. I am using a straight holder first. As you can see, there is a small hole at the top of the holder. Just insert the nib into it. The second one I am using is an oblique holder. This part of the holder is called a flange. The flange should be on the left side. There is a small hole on the flange. We have to insert the nib into it. This is another oblique holder. In this, you can take the flange of the holder. Insert the nib into that hole. Now press the corner. And put it back on the holder. Now let's talk about using the pointed pen for calligraphy. Use a bottle with big mouth. The small hole in the nib is where the ink gets stored. When you hold the pen, make sure the flange is on your left side and you have to dip till the hole in the nib. Hold the pen 45 degrees to the paper. In calligraphy, the upstroke will be thin and the downstroke will be thick. When using the pointed nib for upstroke, you have to use slight pressure or no pressure at all. For the downstroke, you have to apply pressure. As you can see here, when you apply pressure, the nib opens. I have mentioned earlier, the ink will be stored on the hole. So when you apply pressure, the ink flows. In a ballpoint pen, the ball will be on its tip. So you can write at 90 degrees. Pointed pen is not designed like it. The ink will be on the hole. So for downstroke, when you apply pressure, it can't open. That's why we are writing at 45 degrees. I am writing using a straight holder here. You can hold it like you normally hold your pen, but make sure the nib is at 45 degrees. If you have any doubt, feel free to contact me on Instagram. I'll add all the links in my description. Now I'll show you how to clean a nib. After you finish writing, take a clean paper towel or any soft cloth and wipe the nib. Make sure the nib is dry after you clean it. Thanks for watching.